When you're washing dishes and notice that the sink is filling up with water, it means the pipe is blocked. This usually happens if you're not careful. Often, it's because of grease in the pipes. When we pour grease down the sink, it's liquid at first, but then it hardens and blocks the pipes. Sometimes, bits of food or peels can also get stuck in the pipes and stop the water from going down. So, what should you do when this happens? Should you call a plumber or buy chemicals to unclog the sink? Most people don't know that these chemicals can harm your skin and make it hard to breathe. In today's video, we'll show you a cheap and natural way to fix a clogged kitchen sink. All you need is hot water and salt. First, put half a cup of salt in the sink and wait for it to go down. Then, boil 2 liters of water and turn off the stove. When the water starts bubbling, pour it down the sink slowly. The hot water will melt the grease in the pipes. After all the hot water has gone down the drain, run some more hot water from the faucet just to be sure. The salt will help scrub away any remaining grease. You can also use dish soap instead of salt. Boil the water and mix in a few spoonfuls of soap. Pour the soapy water down the drain like you did with the plain hot water. The soap will help dissolve any grease left in the pipes. If the blockage is because of pieces of food, your best bet is to remove them by hand after pouring hot water down the sink to clear away any loose bits of food. Do you have any other tips for unclogging sink drains? Let us know in the comments.